Hosta Christmas Tree, a shade-loving beauty for your garden. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a gardener with a passion for shade-loving plants, the Hosta Christmas tree has always held a special place in my garden. This unique perennial boasts stunning foliage and a captivating form, making it a conversation starter year-round. But with so many questions swirling around this beauty, I decided to create a one-stop FAQ to address everything you might want to know. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. What is a Hosta Christmas tree? The Hosta Christmas tree is a captivating shade perennial prized for its distinctive foliage and upright growth habit. Unlike its sprawling Hosta cousins, this variety forms a compact, conical mound of thick, puckered leaves, earning its festive name. The dark green foliage boasts a creamy white margin that matures to a soft white, adding a touch of elegance to shady corners. How does it compare to other hostas? While most hostas sprawl horizontally, the Hosta Christmas tree stands tall, reaching a mature height of 18 to 22 inches with a spread of up to 36 inches. This upright form creates a vertical element in shady borders, a welcome contrast to the usual horizontal dominance. The foliage also sets it apart. The Christmas tree's leaves are thicker and more corrugated compared to other hostas, offering improved resistance to slug and snail damage, a common bane for hosta lovers. The creamy white variegation adds a touch of brightness to shady areas, while maintaining its color better than some hostas that tend to green up in full shade. Sun or shade. The Hosta Christmas tree thrives in shade, much like its hosta brethren. Ideally, aim for dappled sunlight or morning sun, particularly in cooler climates. Harsh afternoon sun can scorch the delicate leaves, so avoid planting it in full sun exposure. Here's a tip. Observe your garden throughout the day to identify areas that receive dappled sunlight or morning sun only. These are prime locations for your Hosta Christmas tree. How to care for Hosta Christmas tree. Planting your Hosta Christmas tree is a breeze. Choose a location with well-drained, moist soil rich in organic matter. Amend clay soils with compost or other organic material to improve drainage. Once planted, water regularly, especially during the first growing season, to establish a strong root system. Established plants are more drought-tolerant, but will still appreciate a good soaking during dry spells. Come spring, a light application of balanced fertilizer will give your Hosta Christmas tree a boost. Mulch around the base of the plant to retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. However, avoid piling mulch directly against the crown, which can promote rot. Those pretty flowers. The Hosta Christmas tree isn't just about the foliage. In mid to late summer, it produces delicate, bell-shaped lavender flowers on slender scapes rising above the foliage. The blooms add a touch of whimsy to the shade and are attractive to pollinators like butterflies and hummingbirds. Once the flowers fade, reddish-purple seed pods emerge, adding further visual interest. You can leave them on the plant for ornamental value or deadhead them to prevent unwanted self-seeding. Winter woes? Not for this hosta. The Hosta Christmas tree is a tough cookie. It's incredibly cold-hardy, thriving in USDA hardiness zones 3 to 9. In colder climates, a light layer of mulch around the base of the plant in late fall will provide additional winter protection. However, in warmer zones, the foliage might lose some of its vibrancy during the heat of summer. Don't worry, it will bounce back with renewed vigor come fall. Where to buy a Hosta Christmas tree? Many online nurseries and garden centers carry the Hosta Christmas tree. Look for reputable sellers who offer healthy, well-established plants. You can also try dividing mature clumps from friends' gardens, ensuring you get a piece of their established beauty. There you have it. With its captivating form, stunning foliage, and easy care nature, the Hosta Christmas tree is a true gem for shade gardens. So, add a touch of festive cheer to your shady haven and plant a Hosta Christmas tree today.